system. So this one will be tricky, but the rain part is pretty straightforward.
The rain part is. Let's talk about the risk for severe, because we've got a very strong jet energy. There's little pops within it. But with that, will we see severe weather? Because it's not exactly co-located with the instability.
Right, and it's not going to drive through the whole thing. But I think it's going to be interesting. Maybe the best chance for severe will be Friday versus Thursday. We'll see.
Could be.
You know what I mean? When that shortwave comes across. Either way, we're going to watch a cold front come out here. It's going to change the wind direction out ahead of it with a squall line.
And so there will be some turning of the winds with heights. You're going to have southerly winds at the surface. You go up to the mid to upper levels. You get either southwest or west winds. And so that's going to mean that we have some risk of rotating thunderstorms.
Right. Best instability coupled with that turning with the winds south of the I-20 corridor. So New Orleans, you're in this. Jackson, Baton Rouge, all these areas.
All right, here comes the moisture. Moisture return is on its way, coming in through the upper levels, and it'll start to deepen at the lower levels through today in Texas. You can see that onshore flow right there.
We'll get some showers and thunderstorms there as we get to tonight, and then those will freely flow to the north and replace this high. But what a difference waking up this morning in Jackson, Mississippi, or Birmingham versus tomorrow morning.
I mean, so let's flip it. Let's flip to tomorrow, flip the page on your calendar, and now all of a sudden, gone is the high pressure. We've got winds coming up from the south. And, it's going to be a little humid, actually.
In moisture. So it's all converging right in through here. You know there'll be a line of showers and probably some thunderstorms tomorrow morning. And that lines up right where the WPC, the Weather Prediction Center, says, hey, there's a possibility of flooding in through here.
So let's play it out for you and show you what we're looking at in terms of rainfall. Through the day today and tomorrow, it's Texas. By tomorrow morning, it's Louisiana, Mississippi. And due Thursday afternoon, it's Tennessee.
And then you can almost see the axis showing up on the model as to where it is going to be slowly drifting to the east. And it's not going to get on out of here in a hurry, because we still got that next pocket of energy, which brings the showers back into the wet areas, even though it won't be as heavy.
So then this happens on Saturday night, where we get into some instability showers, and we see Nashville with some rain, maybe mixing with some snow. The models are definitely different with that, but you have, rain is the main calling card of this whole event.
3 to 5, wouldn't surprise me to see some 5+ in a couple of spots, unfortunately. All right, Reynolds, take this into the weekend, because we're still dealing with this storm.
Yeah, we certainly are. Well, here we go.
And when you start off with a situation like that, obviously everything is saturated here, rivers and streams and everything here running bank full, and you bring in more rain with the kind of amounts that we're talking, you have to look at the possibility for flooding. That's why flood watches are up. Jackson in it, Birmingham, Huntsville, and then up here throughout much of Tennessee under flash flood watch. Starts tomorrow, goes through Friday. So we have already some of the high level moisture coming in. There's always, the atmosphere gives you clues about the changes coming. So when you go outside today, it'll be a nice sunny day, but you'll notice some high cirrus clouds. That's the high level moisture out ahead of our next system. The moisture deepens over Texas. We get into the rain, Corpus Christi, showers coming in through the morning. San Antonio, it's about lunchtime or so on the Riverwalk. There'll be some showers coming on down. And then Houston, rain comes in as we get through the afternoon into the evening. So whatever your New Year's tradition is, whether it's the black-eyed peas or the collard greens, we are going to see some green on. I know green is a big color when it comes to New Year's, right? You want the green, collard greens here for wealth in the new year. Well, green on the weather map here as we look ahead to your forecast tonight. And then tomorrow, it spreads through the southeast into the Tennessee Valley, throughout Georgia, the Carolinas, into Thursday night and Friday. We start to see the rain on the move, getting into Florida as we get through the weekend. So here comes the rain, too, back for a weekend, unfortunately, getting into Tampa and Orlando. Not Friday, but it's more Saturday that the showers are going to move our way. Now, the rain will be heavy at times. That will be the biggest calling card of this. So we've got 3 to 5 inches of rain in the forecast. And for a place like Jackson, that's about a month's worth of rain in just one event. We average close to 5. Our forecast is for 3 to 5 inches. Coming up at 20 minutes past the hour, we'll go in depth to show you just why parts of the South don't need any more rain and how dangerous storms could spin up. Could there be severe weather? Plus, it's going to be warm, Jim.
Yeah, it is going to be warm. Warm and wet.